Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have an Opel Mobile SmartFlip phone and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now there's kind of two reasons you might want to do this. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues with this phone not working, not connecting to the network, if it keeps disconnecting from things, anything like that, if it's kind of not responding or frozen or lagging, this will fix a lot of those issues. You will need to set it up again because it will be restored to its out-of-the-box settings like it was a new device. And that's really the second reason you might want to do that. If you just want to, for whatever reason, have this phone like it was a brand new phone coming out of the box, we can go ahead and do that. We're just going to open the settings menu. And then from the settings menu, we're going to select Android settings on the screen. And from Android settings, we'll select System settings. Then from System settings, we'll select Reset settings. And from Reset settings, we will select Erase all data. It will then prompt you for a password or a PIN code. The PIN code is 0000, and then you'll hit OK, and everything will be wiped off the phone, and it will restart as a new phone.